Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is April 28, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading out here higher by 1 point to 23.87 per contract. You're going to see the futures are floundering around. Just a little while ago, we had the GDP report out. It looks like the U.S. Economy grew at a very, very slow rate. But either way, that was expected during the first quarter. So we're not going to make too much out of this. But all in all, futures just higher by a point at the moment. All right, let's take a look at stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to focus and make some money today. First stock we're going to look at is Amazon. AMZN is the ticker symbol. They reported earnings last night. Stock right now is trading at $946.40, closed all the way, closed at $918.38. So this is a great move for Amazon. Again, my big resistance level today for the stock is probably up somewhere around $950 or so, possibly even a little bit higher, maybe $960. But either way, good move, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. We'll keep it on the radar for today. Google also reported earnings. You're going to see Google trading at $907. Stock closed at $874. So this is a good pop higher as well. If you're trading the GOOG symbol, this has got resistance probably right in this general area, maybe a touch higher from here. If you're looking at the GOOGL, which is the A shares, this here got resistance around the 935, 936 level. So again, a great move up for Google this morning. Let's take a look at Microsoft. MSFT is the ticker symbol here. Stock sold off sharply after the earnings announcement. Now it has recovered back to the flat line. So there's not a lot we could do with it at the moment. Microsoft, in my opinion, it's just a little bit overbought on the daily chart. There's nothing terrible here, but a little bit overbought on the daily chart, so be a little bit on the cautious side with it. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at ExxonMobil. This is catching a nice bid, trading up at $82.60. Stock closed at $81.26 yesterday. The level I'm seeing right now for daily chart resistance is a nice little gap fill level around $82.90 to $83. So again, good pop, but again, you are into resistance. Let's take a look at Chevron Corp, CVX. They also reported earnings. Stock is trading at $107.21. It closed at $105.69. Briefly went through the 108 level in the pre-market here. Now pulling back a little bit. Again, a good, solid move. Again, two resistance levels for this stock, 108.80 and then $110.10. Next up, we have General Motors. They reported earnings as well. Stock right now looks to be trading at $35.20. Closed at $34.54. Not much we're looking to do here. There's a lot of resistance today for GM around $36.40. So keep that on the radar. I don't know if it gets up there, but if it does, potential fade candidate at that level. Let's take a look at Skyworks Solutions. SWKS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $102.91, closed at $104.20. So we'll see how that plays out. The only level that really interests me today is if the stock sold off, then I would look at the $96.50, $96.40 level as support. Next up, we want to take a look at Intel, INTC. Intel right now trading at $36.45, closed at $37.43. Only level for Intel that interests me is around $35 and more around $33.75. So again, keep those two levels on the radar for Intel today. Next up, we want to take a look here at Royal Caribbean. RCL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $105.85. So good pop, closed at $100.50. This is a new all-time high for this stock. And again, I don't really have a major resistance level till 110. So again, if you own this, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, it's kind of up a little bit too much to jump on board here. Wait for pattern. Next up, we have Western Digital, WDC. I'm going to have a gap level for us on this one. I'll post that up in the intraday stock chat room in just a few moments. Next up, we have Baidu, BIDU. They reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at $183.90, closed at $187.86. Nothing to do right now on Baidu, but we're going to keep this one on the radar if you own it. Right now, you're probably, just floundering around here, but let's watch pattern. I think Baidu has a lot of resistance up around that 188 level if it does get back up there. Next up, we want to take a look at StarBucks, SBUX. Looks like their guidance was kind of weak. Stock right now is trading at $59.10, closed at $61.30. I'm going to have levels for us in the intraday stock chat room for StarBucks. Next up, we're going to take a look at VF Corp. SVFC is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $55. I'm going to have levels for this in the intraday stock chat room, so get ready for that. Next up, we want to take a look at KLAC, semiconductor equipment maker. Stock is trading at $100, closed at $103.59. So this is a good little pullback. I'll try to work on levels for this one. I do see some. I just have to verify them, and I'll try to post them up in the intraday stock chat room as well. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. Gold today trading higher by, I believe, 90 cents. To around $1,266.80 an ounce. Crude oil up 49 cents to $49.45 a barrel. So there you have it. Lots of earnings today. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a great day yesterday. Going to look to keep that going today. Got lots of levels for you, lots of trades out here in the making. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you will see what it is all about. And we got lots of trade action this morning. With that being said, I'm going to leave it here. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.